Guys, in today's video, we're gonna talk about how to fix WhatsApp ringtone problem. So the answer is easy. Just go to the settings and then scroll down to the apps section, and next go to the search and search WhatsApp, and then go to the storage, and here you will find this clear cache option. Click on it. Now you can go check it if it worked. If it didn't, you can try to restart your phone, and if it didn't work again, maybe try to clear data. But be careful. If you clear data, all the files and all the messages and the chats and the media will be deleted. So be careful if you want to clear your data. And if it didn't, you can also try to turn on the airplane mode or the Bluetooth and off, on and off, and that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.